Hello students, today we are going to start our exercise 14.2 and the first question is which of the following figure has rotational symmetry? In case of rotational symmetry, find the order of rotational symmetry. So in first figure we can see that the figure has rotational symmetry. Yes, because if we divide it in two parts we can see that there is no line of symmetry. But student, when we rotate it on 90 degree we get this straight line as a vertical line, and when we rotate it at 180 degree again 90, that means we get the same picture as this one. So we can say that yes, this figure has rotational symmetry and the order of symmetry is 2, because student, when a picture is rotated at 180 degree it has rotational symmetry of order 2, and when a picture is rotated at 90 degree and give the same figure as given, that will be a rotational symmetry of order 4. And when a picture give the same figure when it rotated on 360, that means after a complete revolution, and after a complete revolution it shows the given figure same. So this type of figure has rotational symmetry of order 1. So in the first figure we can say that this figure has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Same as it is in this picture, when we rotate it at 180 degree we get the same picture, and we can say that this one is also a rotational symmetry of order 2. And in third one, student, we can check that after a complete revolution we get the same picture, and if we get the same picture after a complete revolution, that has a rotational symmetry of order 1. Same as it is, student, in fourth one also, when we rotate it 90 degree this is not same as it is as given, and when we rotate it at 180 degree we get same. So when it rotated on 180 degree it gives the same figure, and so we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. In this picture we can see that if we rotate it at 90 degree we get the same figure as given, and when it gives the same figure on 90 degree we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Same as it is, student, if we rotate it at 90 degree we get the same figure, so we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Same as it is, we have another parts of this question, and so we can do the all remaining parts of this question. Now question number 2, which of the following figure has rotational symmetry of order greater than 1? In first figure, student, we can see that this one is a parallelogram, and when we rotate this parallelogram at 360 degree only we can get the same figure as given, so it has a rotational symmetry of order 1. This picture has also give the same figure when it rotated on 360 degree, so this one is also a rotational symmetry of order 1. This figure is also a rotational symmetry of order 1, and in the last figure we have a circle, and we can see that also we get the rotational symmetry of order 1 in the same figure. So all the picture has a rotational symmetry of order 1. No one has greater than 1. So now the third question, name any two figure that have both line of symmetry and rotational name any two figures that have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. So student, we have rectangle and square are two pictures, two quadrilaterals. They have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Next, name the quadrilateral which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Yes, same as it is rectangle and rhombus also. In rectangle, student, we know that line of symmetry is given. There is 2 line of symmetry in rectangle, and also order of symmetry is 2, that is greater than 1. In rhombus also we have 2 line of symmetry, and also when we rotate it at 180 degree we get the same rhombus. So we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Fifth question, draw a rough sketch of a triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So student, equilateral triangle is the only triangle which has both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Next, second, a triangle with only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So student, in isosceles triangle we can say that there is only one line of symmetry and there is no rotational symmetry, or we can say that after rotating at 360 degree we get the same figure. So this one has a rotational symmetry of order 1, or we can say that no rotational symmetry. Next, a triangle with no line symmetry but rotational symmetry of order 1. Yes, student, scalene triangle is the triangle which has no line of symmetry, and after a 360 degree revolution it gives the same figure. So we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 1. Fourth, a quadrilateral with no line symmetry but rotational symmetry of order more than 1. A quadrilateral, student, parallelogram is the quadrilateral which has no line of symmetry, and after rotating at 180 degree it gives a rotational symmetry of order 2. A quadrilateral with line symmetry but not rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Yes, student, isosceles trapezium is a trapezium which has one line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry, or we can say that no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Next one, if a figure has 2 or more than 2 line of symmetry, can it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Yes, student, we have a figure which is a square. We can take an example. Square has a line symmetry of 4 line of symmetry, we can say, that is more than 2, and also rotational symmetry is 4, because when we rotate it at 90 degree we get the same square, and we can say that this figure has rotational symmetry of order 4. Next, student, a figure looks exactly the same as its original figure after rotation of 60 degree. What other angle will this figure appear the same? Student, a figure is same at 60 degree, so it will be same at 120 degree and also 180 degree. So we can say that if a figure looks same after rotation of 60 degree, it will look same after rotation of 120 degree. Next one is, what can you say if angle of rotation is 72 degree? Yes, if the angle of rotation is 72 degree, it looks same at 144 degree. If angle is 45, it will look same at 90 degree. If angle is 50 degree, it looks same at 100 degree. Next one is, can a figure possessing rotational symmetry have an angle of rotation of measure 180 degree? So student, if we have an angle of 180 degree, we can find the rotational symmetry by dividing 360 by 180, we get 2. So we can say that if the angle of rotation is 180, the rotational symmetry of order 2. And if the angle is 120 degree, the rotational symmetry will be of order 3. And when we have angle of rotation is 90 degree, after dividing 360 by 90 we get 4. So we can say that the rotational symmetry will be of order 4. And in 30 degree, the rotational symmetry of order 12. Same as it is we can find with angle 15 and 17. Student, 360 is not divisible by 17, so we can say that the angle of rotation of 17 degree has no rotational symmetry and no order of rotational symmetry. So here we have completed our exercise 14.2.